Well, good evening, folks. So we're continuing to lay down the drain and sewer line to run the water from the downspouts out to the front ditch in front of our home. So here's a snapshot of where I'm at now. I'm moving right along. I've got several pipes laid. These are 10-foot pipes, drain and sewer and drain pipes, triple wall. Just sort of showing you a corner here and how I dealt with it. I put a couple 45s in there to move around that corner and all along the side of the home, the longest run. So yeah, here's the digging results before I laid that pipe. I want to take you in here and show you a little critter that I found while I was digging right before I put the pipe down. Check him out. A little lizard of some type. I haven't looked up to see what he is yet, but I dare say he's a little cool. He's not moving real fast. There's an earthworm. Lots of earthworms along here. If I had a chance to go fishing, it'd be a good time to do it now. Look at these earthworms everywhere. So I came along behind this little lizard and nudged him a little bit to see if he'd move. Sure enough, there he goes. Oop. Yeah, he's quick. That's cool. I don't know how I missed him as far as stabbing with a shovel, but good for him. I missed him. He's going to live another day. He only moves when I touch him on his tail. When I touched him on his face there, he didn't move at all. I guess he thought he was hidden. Anyway, enough of that. Back to the project at hand. So I got to the corner of the house, which is the front corner of the house, which would be the southeast corner of the house, and bumped into a little water here. This is right below a downspout, and it looks like it must be, I don't know, draining in from maybe the flower bed in front. I don't know. It's running north right there, fellas. Don't know why. But we have a plan. I'm going to lay the pipe in there. I'm going to perforate it and I'm going to put some gravel in there and perforate the pipe. And so any water that's sitting there could still move on through the gutter system and on out to the street. So I think we'll be just fine. And we have some other drainage out front of the home to do, which will help alleviate this as well. So, not too worried about it. But there you go, water running north. And check this out, chickens pecking the ground. The neighbors' chickens are out. They're just loving this spring weather. They can't get enough of it. It's amazing how much ground they cover in just a few minutes. They were close to me, and then I turned around and they're gone. And guess who's watching? Rocky, he's like, if those chickens come over here, Dad, gonna have to chase them. Well, let's roll another pipe in. There goes 10 more feet. Check the level. Probably an 1/8 inch drop. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Stand by for more. Good day.